And welcome to the Richland Ceramics Lab. Today I'm going to talk about wedging technique, and I call this technique monkey face wedging. I'm going to discuss two types of techniques in different videos. This one is the one that most beginners use, and we wedge our clay to get the air bubbles out of it, which is important in hand building, but it's also incredibly important in throwing. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make your clay into sort of a rectangle shape. And I'm going to hold it with the palms of my hands, fingers out, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the corners of the clay and move my wrists in, all right? I'm going to move my wrists in and then rock it back up on its nose, okay? So the reason this is called monkey face wedging is that you end up with something that looks sort of like a monkey face. See, it's got eyes and a nose. All right, these wrinkles down here are how you know you're doing it well, because if you don't get those wrinkles, it means the clay is not folding in on itself, so you're not wedging effectively. Now there are two problems that you can run into with your monkey face. The first problem is that you follow through too much. So we want to pretend like we have to stop about 3 inches above the table. It's kind of a short, quick movement. If you don't, then your monkey will get these crazy alien eyes, okay? Too much follow through. You don't want to go that far down to the table. The other problem that monkeys can have is if you're wedging and your monkey starts getting horns. Okay, so if your monkey starts looking like this, that's not good either, because it just means that you're not keeping your hands on the side, so you're not keeping your hands on the side of his head. So as long as I'm keeping my hands on the side, okay, and I am folding in, the wedging is going to be effective, but it takes a little bit of practice to do this. It also uses a lot of your pectoral muscles, and your foot stance is really important. So if you can look at my feet, you'll see how wide my stance is. And when I do this, I'm lunging on one leg, so that takes some of the pressure off my back. Okay? All right. So do this for about 5 minutes, or 50 strokes per pound, and you're ready to go. Okay?